Tim Swanson.
What do you do?
Safety.
That's pretty
and other
cool.
related stuff.
What's your favorite color?
Take a guess.
Bright pink.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Who's this?
I'm as Cordelia.
What do you do?
I am the director of operations.
The heck does that mean?
All of the things.
Favorite ice cream?
The caramel swirl non-dairy one, because I don't do dairy, so
Nice.
non-dairy caramel swirl.
Cool. Hey, who are you?
My name is Sky Kayo.
What do you do for C.O.G.S?
Right now, I am the head of the Inclusivity Committee.
That's pretty awesome, and I'm really glad you exist. If you could take your favorite movie and replace all of the characters with Muppets except for one human, what movie would it be, and what human would you keep?
I would love to see that done with Lord of the Rings, and I would pick Frodo just because it makes the most sense. But yeah, I would pay to see that.
I like that one a lot. Awesome.
Oh, hello, I'm Matt Black.
What do you do, Matt Black?
I am the Director of Marketing and Public Relations.
What was the last movie you walked out of?
Last movie I've walked out of. I actually have never walked out of a movie.
That's
God.
dedication.
I was a film student, and I try to find something in every film, but I do not think I've ever walked out of a movie.
Ugh. Okay.
That says everything about your personality.
I'm coming over here.
Hi, I'm Andrew Terranova.
The heck do you do?
I am head of gaming for C.O.G.S.
Wow. Awesome. What character death in a movie hit you the hardest?
Ooh. I don't know. Years ago it was probably, what was that movie? Creepshow. The last segment had a bunch of insects, and that was the movie that I walked out of.
Oh, all right. We got 2 for 1. I like it. Hello, who are you?
Hey, I'm Cap Peeler. How you doing?
I'm doing pretty well. What do you do?
Event coordinator.
Oh, that's pretty neat. And if the sky was falling, where would you hide?
My basement?
That's pretty safe. Standard answer. I like it.
Fucking Trump's asshole?
No one's going there, so that's good. Okay. Hello, who are you?
IT guy.
Do you have a name, IT guy?
No.
Okay, that's
Just
fair.
IT guy.
If you had a name and you could make it up right now, what would it
Oh,
be?
damn. Put people on the spot. I got nothing. IT guy. Let's go with IT guy.
IT guy. All right, so
Let's
it's
just
first
go
name
IT.
IT, last name guy.
Guy, come on.
I like it. And
He's the it guy.
the it guy. I like it. All right, say hi to your team, everybody.
Hello, hold on, wait. You forgot somebody.
Oh.
Uh,
Oh, hi.
Who are you?
I'm Diana Gata.
And what do you do?
What do I do? I am EGOT hopeful and in charge of C.O.G.S streaming.
There we go.
There you go.
And if you had to eliminate one fruit from the face of the planet, what would it be?
Oh my God, it would be a pineapple.
Not a fan of pineapple, huh?
No, pineapples make me so angry.
You heard it here. Whether it's on pizza or not, they make her angry.
Yeah. All right. Thank you guys so much.